Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is how much protein on a plant-based diet, what I eat in a day. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day, and then stay tuned because I'm going to have a breakdown of the calories, protein, fat, and carbs at the end of the video. I measured out everything so I know exactly what that all turned out to be. Now on this day, I did a strength training workout at 11 a.m., which is typical. 2 days a week I do strength training, a couple of days a week I do cardio. So I did a pull, push, leg routine where I did 2 rounds. So I did a total of 6 sets. So that was my strength training workout for this day. And then I broke my fast at about 1:20 p.m., which is typical. I usually have my first meal around 12 or 1 p.m. Throughout the morning, I had a couple liters, probably around 2 liters of water to stay nice and hydrated. So let me show you what I had for my first meal. So this was at 1:20. I started off with a smoothie, nice and hydrating. It had 1 pound of frozen pineapple. I had a liter of coconut water. And then I put some green powders in the smoothie. Now I haven't used any of these green powders in a few years. I had used them a few years ago and just figured I'd check them out again. So these are the Marcus Roscrans. I used a 1 serving of the green powder and one serving of his vitamin C powder. So that was 2 tablespoons of each of them. First, I blended up the coconut water and the pineapple. I blended it up nice and good. And then I added the green powders and I just sort of gently blended those up after the pineapple and the coconut water was already blended up. So this is how I started it off. Nice and hydrating, got in the fruit and the greens right off the bat. And that took me a while. That was quite a large smoothie. So I spent about 45 minutes eating the smoothie. The next up, it was about 3:20 p.m. I had 3 tangerines, 100 grams of dried mangoes, and about a serving of raw almonds. So nice little snack in between my next meal. Then for dinner at 7 p.m., I started off with 10 ounces of blackberries. And then just after that, I had a salad. It had greens, a cucumber, an avocado, and an apple. And I put some of the sesame ginger dressing on top. Then next up, I had a bowl of veggie soup. I had some prunes. There's about 2 servings of prunes. I had a serving of these baked chips. And I had a couple slices of sourdough bread with some Earth Balance on top. And then for dessert, I had about a serving of trail mix with some dark chocolate chips. And that was it for the day. So the total was 3,088 calories. I had 403 grams of net carbs, 82 grams of fiber, 109 grams of fat, and 70 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.